Dobrodošli na Univerzi v Novi Gorici, se zahvaljujem za obisk. Ob tej priložnosti bi seveda se rad zelo lepo zahvalil gospe Sunite Williams. Thanks again for your visit to our university.
Oh, the questions were incredible. They're insightful. They go from everything from like the human aspect of space exploration to the scientific aspects of it, and pretty much everything in between.
Veseli smo predvsem zaradi tega, ker smo prepričani, da bo ta obisk imel izjemen motivacijski učinek tako na naše sodelavce, na naše študente in na bodoče potencialne študente naše univerze.
Small universities have the attention to detail, the ability for people to really focus on a subject. There's definitely a nice family environment atmosphere when you have a smaller university. I mean, science is really something that joins us together. Sharing information and knowledge as we do that here at this university and other universities or other companies around the world. And so it's really nice to see all of those people working together. So thank you so much for the opportunity to be here with everyone.